It's been nearly 7 months since a St. Louis County teen died after falling from a ride at an amusement park in Florida. And just hours ago, we learned that ride will now be torn down. Tonight, the family of Tyre Sampson is reacting to the news. Good evening. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Kelly Jackson. Thanks so much for joining us. Justina Cornell joins us with their response, as well as what we are hearing from the ride company.
Yeah, Mike and Kelly, it's long overdue, and that's what Tyre Sampson's family is saying. While they're relieved the ride is finally coming down, they believe it should have never happened in the first place.
This was Nekia's first thing she said. I want that ride taken down.
It's a wish Nekia Dodd wanted ever since her son Tyre Sampson slipped from his seat from an Orlando FreeFall ride and fell to his death in April.
The Slingshot, the operator of the ride, has decided that they're going to take down the ride.
This is the statement from Orlando Slingshot, and it says, "We are devastated by Tyre's death. We have listened to the wishes of Tyre's family and the community and have made the decision to take down the FreeFall. In addition, Orlando Slingshot will honor Tyre and his legacy in the classroom and on the football field by creating a scholarship in his name." The ride's takedown has been a demand since the teen was killed. Dodd's lawyer, Michael Haggard, says,
With the grief she's endured and continues to endure, there's no such thing as being happy, but almost a little bit of closure, a little bit of accomplishment that this is gone. It's not going to exist as it was. They killed her baby boy.
He says the family has been persistent. Just 1 month after her son's death, Dodd begged for the ride's removal. And in June, his father repeated the same plea.
I think the ride need to come down because that's a permanent reminder every time I look up at that ride that my son actually had fell down. 400-some feet crashing to the earth to his death.
It's been at the forefront of their fight to get justice for their son and create change for others.
So we need federal legislation to mandate that these rides have secondary safety procedures, a simple seatbelt, and that they're governed by something so this never happens to a family again. It should have never happened, and it can't happen.
Now, I did ask when this ride would come down. A spokesperson couldn't provide the exact time and says the timeline for taking the ride down will be determined by the approvals of all involved parties and regulatory entities.